Peace be upon you, my dear students. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, we'll start our lesson 22, spelling changes. Spelling changes. Okay, we'll open page 103. The title says spelling changes, S, E, S, and E, D, and I, N, G. In this page, read each sentence, choose the missing word from the box, from this box. Write the word, then reread the complete sentence. Here, first of all, read number 1, hurried, hurried. Hurried here is a verb in the past, okay? In the present, in the first form, this verb is spelled hurry, H-U-R-R-Y, H-U-R-R-Y. From where did we bring I-E-D? We changed the verb hurry, H-U-R-R-Y, into the past. How can we change it? Can we put just ed for hurry, H-U-R-R-Y, and put ed? No, of course. Okay, you must change y into I. Why? Because y, this verb ends in y, and before y there is r consonant letter. So when we have a verb, this verb hurried ends in y, and y, before y we have r, and r is consonant. So when we change this hurry, this verb, into the past, we change y into I. So H-U-R-R-I, this I instead of what? Instead of y. And this y, before y, we have consonant letter. And then you put ed for the best. It's no problem. I instead of y. ed in the past. Okay, so we'll make it hurried. Like in number 6, Alexandra hurried to school so he wouldn't be late. Hurried, went fast. Hurried means when he went fast. Okay, so number 2, replied. Replied, the first form of this verb of course is in the past. Okay, and the first form, okay, it's reply. Reply, R-E-P-L-Y. Where is y? We changed y into I. Why? Can you tell me why? What is the reason? Why? Because we have before y letter L. L is consonant. So the verb here ends in y, and y is preceded, means before y we have consonant, so we change y into I, then put ed. So we changed y when we wanted to change this verb into the past. We change y, you must first look at y at the end of the verb. Okay, and before y, ask yourself, is there a consonant or a vowel letter? If there is a consonant letter, then change y into I. If there is a vowel letter before y, don't change y. Don't change it. Okay, so we have 2 steps before you change y into I. First, look at y. There is y. And before, second thing, ask yourself a question. Is there a consonant before y or a vowel? Yes, L is a consonant, so we change y into I. Then put ed, so you change it now. This verb reply into the past. Into the past. Okay? Like here in this sentence, number 1, April replied to the question with another question. When I ask you a question, instead of you answer the question with an answer, a good answer, you ask me a question. Like when I ask you, why were you late? You must what? Give me a suitable answer. Instead of this, you answer. You will ask me, Mr. Why are you asking? So I asked you a question, then you asked me a question. So reply to my question with another question. Okay. Of course, here also this word series. It's what? It's a plural now, not in the past. Okay, but here, there is IES. The singular of this word is city, CITY. Okay, so when I change it into plural, I changed Y into I also. Because Y is what is the final letter in this word, and before Y there is T, which is what? Consonant or vowel? Consonant, right? So we changed Y into I and put ES. So when we see Y at the end of a verb and wanted to change it into the past, okay, ask yourself a question. What is before Y? Consonant or vowel? Consonant, change into I. If there is a word, a noun, okay, and we wanted to make a plural and ends in Y, ask yourself, before Y there is consonant or vowel, and it changes Y to I, even if you wanted to put ES or whatever. Okay, and here this is what, like the last word here, pennies. Okay, but I'll give you example for cities. Okay, like in number 3, most of the big cities in California are on the coast. Coast here means near the sea. And we have the last one, pennies. This is plural of penny, PENNY, penny. We change it Y into I because Y, before Y there is N and N is consonant. We change it Y into I and we bought ES. Okay, like number 5, 10 pennies equal 1 dime. Okay, number, here also we have the ending of traveled, we put ed, a normal one. Pillows, okay, it's a normal one, we put s only, we didn't change anything. Okay, and we put drawing, we put ing. Okay, and the memories also, we have memories is the plural of memory into Y, and we changed Y into I because before Y there is R and R is consonant. We changed Y into I and we put ES here. Like number 2, I have such good memories of kindergarten. Okay, and we have example of here is traveled. Number 7, the class traveled to the zoo on a bus. Okay, number 9, mom set 2 fluffy pillows on the bed. Okay, and the last one here, it's paint brushes. Paint brushes is a plural of what? Of paint brush. Okay, for a plural we put what? We put S only? No, we can put S, we can put ES. The question is, why did we put ES here? For this word ends in what? SH. When a word ends in SH or CH or X or O or SS, okay, when we wanted to change this word into plural, we put ES. We put ES for the word. If you want to change it into plural, if it ends in SH, CH, X, O or SS. Here there is a plural here. Why didn't we put ES? Because this word pillow, PILLOW, it doesn't end in one of these letters, SH or CH or SS or X or O. It ends into W. Okay, it ends in W, no problem, we put S only. But if it ends in SH, CH, XO, okay, we put ES for the plural. If it ends into Y and Y, before Y there is a consonant letter, we change Y into I and then we put ES. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, like number 10, the artist had many paint brushes of different sizes. Paint brushes, it's a tool the artist you can use to draw. Okay, let's move to the other page. Okay, it's 108. It's talks about less common plurals like what? Like knives. Knives here is plural. What is the singular of knives? Knife, K-N-I-F-E. One knife, K-N-I-F-E. So one knife ends in F-I. When we change it to a plural, we cancel F and we put V. We change F into V and we put ES. The next one, leaves. This is plural. The singular one is what? Huh? Can you think? Loof. We will change F into VES. Hoof. We change F into VES. Life. We change FE here or F into VES. Loof. Okay, like leaf and loof. Knife, leaf. Okay, and hoof, life, loof. I will read the singular again. If there is a mistake, forgive me please. Okay, knife, knives, leaf, leaves, hoof, hoofs, life, lives, loof, loofs. We change all FE or F into VES. Like number 1, the blacksmith put shoes on the horse's hoofs. Run for your lives, the volcano is erupting. Number 3, do you have any loaves of wheat bread? In autumn, the leaves fall from the trees. Number 5, set the table with forks, knives, and spoons. Okay, I hope you got it and you understood this. Try hard and read again and again. Okay, and if you have a question, I'm here. Thank you for listening.